Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the FancyLEDs synced FancyLEDs. This is an LED strip. This goes, if you have the FancyLED system, that's the TV backlight system that syncs your backlights with your TV screen, as well as the fancy neon rope lights or the FancyLEDs, which are these. Then this can join with that to sync with that. That's why I got these. I already have the TV backlights. I also have two of the fancy neons, which are the rope lights on either side of my entertainment system. And we got a new entertainment system that has a place to put lights underneath it to sync with the TV or uses ambient lighting, and so I got these to put there. So we're just going to take a quick look at them, do a quick unboxing just to see what comes in the box. And you can see wireless sync. You can cut them to your desired length. You can have a static color if you just want ambient lighting, or you can have it sync. It's very fast, has a strong adhesive, and is CEC enabled. And yeah, this is sort of the setup I have now. We have a large entertainment system, and then there's sort of a cabinet, and then underneath we have space. So that's where I'm going to be putting these. And that's why I got them, so that I could add these to my already existing system. And that's what's cool, is you can get the basic system and then you can add to it in the future as you desire. And so there's the manual that comes in the box, and then you get these are the FancyLEDs, and these are the RGB-CW, so it has full color spectrum that I got, and they are USB-C powered, and all the stuff you need to do that comes in the box. As we're going to see, you've got all your different plugs. I'm in the US, so I'm going to be using the US plug, but they include all the different plugs for wherever you are in the box. And then you have your power supply with a nice long connection, so you can get the power to where you need it to be. That's what's going to power them. And then you have your control box, and that's very important because this is really the brains of the operation. This is what will allow you, it will connect to your Wi-Fi and then allow you to connect this to the FancyLED system and sync it with your TV, or just control it through the app. And so yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Now we'll be doing just a quick demo review of these coming up, so be sure to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with that and other future reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.